Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
CBAP Business Analysis Professional. Lecture 6, Strategy Analysis. Understanding the context. Begin by examining the organization's internal and external environments. This includes assessing its strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, SWOT analysis. Factors such as market conditions, competition, regulatory environment, and technological trends should be considered. Clarifying objectives. Identify the organization's goals and objectives. These could include financial targets, market share goals, innovation objectives, or social impact targets. Ensure that these objectives are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. Analyzing current strategy. Evaluate the organization's existing strategies. This involves reviewing its business model, competitive positioning, product portfolio, pricing strategy, distribution channels, marketing efforts, and operational processes. Determine how well these strategies align with the organization's objectives and whether they are effectively addressing the identified challenges and opportunities. Gap analysis. Identify any gaps between the current state and the desired future state. This involves assessing where the organization currently stands in relation to its objectives and where it needs to be to achieve them. Determine the areas where improvements or changes are necessary to bridge these gaps. Alternative strategies. Explore different strategic options available to the organization. This could involve considering different market segments, product diversification, geographic expansion, strategic partnerships, mergers and acquisitions, or operational efficiency initiatives. Evaluate the potential risks and benefits associated with each alternative. Decision-making. Select the most appropriate strategy or combination of strategies based on the analysis conducted. Consider factors such as feasibility, resource requirements, risk tolerance, and potential impact on stakeholders. Ensure that the chosen strategy is aligned with the organization's mission, values, and long-term vision. Implementation planning. Develop a detailed plan for implementing the chosen strategy. This includes defining clear objectives, allocating resources, assigning responsibilities, establishing timelines, and setting key performance indicators, KPIs, to monitor progress. Communication and stakeholder engagement are crucial during this phase to ensure buy-in and support. Monitoring and evaluation. Continuously monitor the implementation of the strategy and evaluate its effectiveness. Regularly review key metrics and performance indicators to assess progress towards the objectives. Identify any deviations or challenges encountered and make adjustments as necessary to stay on track.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.